It's Danny K, right back and again with another video. A video to help you be a better person, a better man, every day. Not every day, but every day I want you to get better. Every day I want you to increment, stack on top, stack on top, stack on top. If you just move stuff just like this, just literally like this, because what's going to happen? You're going to reach to the top of the mountain. It might take some time, but you'll reach to the top of the mountain because you're being consistent. Well, I'm going to go into the subject today. One of the top reasons why relationships don't work is because they're two leaders. In any situation where two people are tugging and pulling to two different directions, you will get nowhere. You will get nowhere. Nowhere in life you're going to get. The reason why relationships fail, and this is every type of relationship, but I'm going to say romantic relationships since that's very relatable to my audience. There has to be a leader and there has to be a follower. As everybody knows, if you're dealing with somebody and both of you, she wants to go west, you want to go south, what's going to happen? Separation is inevitable. But one person has to be a leader. Here, I speak for men. You know, I want men to be better. So I say, men, by nature, men most of the time lead. But there's some females who lead the charge. I'm not going to talk on that because that's just, I speak for men leading. Men, to build men to lead, and for a man to lead. That's what I believe in. But I know there's some, in any relationship, I know there's some relationships where the female's leading and the man is following. Somebody has to lead. That's the basis, like what I'm saying. Female, male, preferably you're male, somebody has to lead. Somebody has to lead in the relationship. Somebody. If two people can agree on some things, it's an inevitable relationship will end. I know people look at me like this. Oh, my girl wanted to do this, and I didn't want to do this. Now he's mad. Now she's mad that he's not listening to her. And guess what happens? Just distraughtness. And the problem, most people stay in that situation from fear of probably being alone, probably they spend time and energy on this person. Like, I'll spend time with this person, I'm staying with it. No, screw that, no. Work on yourself. But no, if you get into a relationship, you're going to have to choose to lead or follow. And it's a choice. It's not, when I'm dealing with someone, I'm not going to be like, yo, you got to follow me. No, you have a choice. You have a choice. You have a choice to follow. Now the choice is yours. And as a man or the person leading, you have to look at somebody that wants to follow you. Don't choose somebody who wants to be a rebellion and be like, no, I'm tired of you, ain't nothing. I ain't listening to you. Everything. Every time you say something, there's always disagreement. Every time you say this, oh no, you say yes, they say no. You say you should make a right, they trying to go left. The relationship is not going to work. And if you keep getting to that relationship, you're not going to be happy. When I say a relationship that works, a relationship where two individuals are striving to be their best selves and to better themselves as individuals. And I don't like the word happy, but that's the only word I could really use this for. When two people try their best to make each other happy and content, and not content and, but like see the values of each other and they're working to better each other, And as a leader, that's your responsibility. As a leader, if I'm dealing with anybody that's following me, I got to make sure they become better. They get better because they're under my wing. And they don't really teach this in school, leadership skills or whatnot. I'm not down in school, but they don't really teach this, You have to lead. You got this and that. So a lot of men go into a relationship, and they're like, oh, I'll do whatever you want. And she's like, oh, I don't know what I want. It's whatever you want. And there's two people who don't know what they want. The blind leading the blind. And you wonder why your relationship is not working. If you're a female and you not the leader, follow. You have to follow. Does that mean you just be quiet? No. If you see him, you be like, yo, honey, do you think that's a good idea? Don't you think this and this? And you state your reasons why. And if he's a good man, a good leader, he'll listen. Because a good leader will listen to his subjects. Okay, I see what you're talking about. And you as a leader, you need to be honest to your subjects. So it is as yin and yang is a play on this, you know. And that's the number. That's one of the top reasons. I'm gonna make a list of 10 reasons why most relationships fail. But from my experience, I realized that anytime somebody wants to take, when two people want to take the crown, the kingdom will split. If two people want to take the crown, the kingdom will split. If the queen wants to be king and the king is fighting for the crown too, the kingdom will split. Or your kingdom will be in disarray and chaos. If you're the leader, work on being a leader. Read good books on being a leader. I know Joko Rillick. He was in SEALs. He wrote a good book. I know I have a book, one of the books right there on leadership. You know, read leadership books. You know, listen to your tuition. Be a good leader. You know, don't take advantage. I know a lot of girls don't wanna follow anybody's lead because some guys they just moving wild, lying, doing this and that. So they in their head, and it's not a good thing. In their head, they're thinking, then the next guy did what he going to just try to do the same thing. That's why you as a man, you gotta be real. I'm telling you, honesty is key. You know, honesty is key. I never met no girl that any person, to be honest with you, any person who's really close to you, female, romantic relationships, friend relationships, family relationships. You know, family is very. If me, I'm working on the family relationship part. But intimate relationship, friends relationship, honesty is the best key. Honesty is the best key. I never met no girl that looked at me and was like, you being honest. They probably feel bad in the moment, but in the long term, my tires ain't getting slashed. My windows ain't getting mashed. Cause I tell them I'm out here as it is. You know, I tell my friends, yo, bro, look, man, you getting fat, bro. Oh, yo, bro, you think that's a good idea? And people appreciate that honesty. People appreciate, they won't like it, but they appreciate that honesty because that's not really given. Well, I'm ranting. I'm going way off topic. So just remember this. If you want to write it down, there has to be a leader. There has to be a leader. Trust and believe me on that. My parents, if you look at what I've been in some relations before. My parents were married for over 40. I don't even know how many years. They've been married for a while. Every couple and every happy couple, happy. And when I mean happy, every couple that achieved success in their relationship, in that aspect, I seen there was one leader. One leader. The husband says, yo, I feel like this is right for the family. We're going to go here. The wife says, okay. And I'm speaking as I say, I'm trying my best to promote alpha and masculinity. So I'm not going to speak on female leading. You could go to another channel for that. But I'm speaking for men. There has to be one leader. And if you're a man, you want to go to lead, shut up and follow. Shut up and follow. Just shove and just pack your little purse and follow. There's nothing wrong with that. If you want to pack your purse and follow all you want. Follow to the lines down. You got to follow. You got to shut up and follow. Proof at the bottom of the point is there has to be one leader. And I'm stressing that point extensively. I'm stressing that point extensively. There has to be one leader. This Danny K. Please comment, like, subscribe. Share this to somebody. Share this to, if you're a girl watching, share this to your homegirl. If you're a man, share this to your boys and share this to somebody. Tell me what you think in the comments below. And request some videos. Me, I have a lot of ideas. I could drop like 10 videos today. But, request some videos. Drop your comments below. I'm going to try my best to respond to every comment. I didn't get to everybody, but I try to respond to every comment. This video's getting a little bit longer. This Danny K out.